Greetings from Central Park. I love New York, and this area is known as the Mall. And it is one of the most beautiful places to walk all year round, but highly photographed at autumn and most photographed after one of the very first snowfalls or before anyone takes a step. Today is also a very special day. We have autumn foliage, and it's a holiday. Happy Halloween from I Love New York. This is an October 31st stroll through the park. And this tends to be the best weekend every year on the calendar for foliage in Central Park. It's the weekend of the New York City Marathon. So if you're trying to figure out and plan your trip to New York, of course you can be here for Halloween. The Village Halloween Parade is the largest Halloween celebration on the planet. It's pretty amazing. This year it is celebrating its 50th anniversary. Now you see some trees have lost leaves. Don't worry, you didn't miss all of the colors. Different trees will have a full bloom at different times of the year. I did just want to show you this iconic area on Halloween. Speaking of Halloween, I do have a little bit of New York to celebrate. Got my Headless Horseman Sleepy Hollow shirt on. You can get to Sleepy Hollow on the Metro North Train. It's about $11. And you can see all the sights that inspired Washington Irving's novel. Another big part of this time of year in New York. Okay, Bethesda Fountain and Terrace. Now, this is a place where people come and take wedding photographs. You can hear great performers, but I would say with the amount of times that I've walked through and have seen, there we go. I would call it a romantic spot by the water. Pretty common. Nice to see displays of love, the sounds of art. The echo is really good in here for musicians to perform. And then it brings you right out to the one and only Bethesda Fountain. What do I see out here often? Bubbles. People blow bubbles. Bubble artists often are at this location. But do make your trip over to Central Park around this time of year. Don't put it off and try to see it the same day you're seeing the Christmas tree, Rockefeller Center, because they will turn the fountain off. Because the water will freeze. What a beautiful day. All right, we will take a stroll around so you can see the fall foliage and the people out on the boats. You can boat through Central Park and enjoy the fall foliage. Right, there it is. How romantic. Autumn in New York. And here you can see there's still more colors that need to unveil themselves before we will declare the autumn season is over. This is only week number 7 of about a 9-week fall foliage period for the Empire State. So for the entire state of New York, there are about 2 more weeks I think Long Island area will be the last area to see their full fall colors. Did Mom's 75th birthday there. What a great memory. And that is Halloween Autumn Walking Tour in I Love New York. Till next time, keep exploring and enjoy.